Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Scorpion and the Old Man. An old man saw a scorpion drowning. He decided to pull it out from the water. He extended his hand to reach it. When he did, the scorpion stung him. With the effect of the pain, the old man let go the scorpion and it fell back into the water. The man realized that the scorpion was drowning again. He tried to save it, but then again it stung him. He let it go off again. A boy standing by approached the old man and said, "Excuse me, sir, you are going to hurt yourself trying to save the evil, vicious creature. Why do you insist? Don't you realize that each time you try to help the scorpion, it stings you?" The man replied, "The nature of the scorpion is to sting, and mine is to help. My nature will not change in helping the scorpion." The man thought for a while and used a leaf. He pulled the scorpion out from the water and saved its life. Moral lesson: do not change your nature. If someone hurts you, just take precautions. Some pursue happiness while others create it. Let your principles be your guide in whatever you do.